Hey guys, welcome to an Overwatch video that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I'm going to be exploring the workshop. It's kind of like what Nateson has done, and I really liked what he did, so, I'm going to do it as well. There's going to be no voice chats just because, their voice can't be recorded. And, yeah, so let's just see what there is. But first, I just want to point out, let's just take a look at my rank for that. And then point out how technically what it counts to get in. But if you look on this side, ta-da! I've been top 500 practically. Escape Bastion.
Traveling to Route 66.
What is this? Is this like a
Immortality field destroyed.
Oh, I know what this is. Let me just make it through.
Always leave yourself a back door.
All the way to the end. Okay then.
Step inside, stay alive.
Hey.
The true. My teleporter is online. My teleporter is online.
How am I alive?
Teleportation portal open. My teleporter is online.
You do. After I just complete this, I'm not sure then.
Sombra online.
Teleportation
Boy.
portal open. Warrior in place.
Oh. Okay.
My teleporter is online.
Yes, I can. Wait. Hey, okay.
Will reveal the truth.
Let's try out a different game. Tiny Room Chaos with low ping exceptional. I never even look at these things, the details or anything. Tiny Room Chaos with exceptionally low ping. This is not the hero to play. This is a very tiny room. Okay, let's play as
Fire in the hole!
Only
Doomfist.
through conflict do we evolve.
Okay, that's kind of unfair. Doomfist. Not the greatest. Neither is everything I ever heard.
Meteor strike!
Torbjorn works out pretty well.
I'm overloading.
Hopefully it works out good. Oh my gosh, Torbjorn's insane. Hey.
Scale
like that. Ana Arena.
Traveling to Havana.
What this who this hat like? What am I?
Never.
Oh, it's this place on Havana, and then you can kill people. Ooh, skill. I'm actually glad there's only 3 players. There's too many people. I like that I'm not getting targeted. Oh, you can't punch. Oh, come on. Oh, I had fun. Yeah, that's it. See you guys next day.
One eternity later.
Guys, for me, 1 day is a very long time. Okay, it could be any day. Whenever I say next day, it doesn't mean next day. It could be any time. Honestly, to just get into the game. Ash Roulette. I've seen this before. I've never done it. If you say hello, you pretty much die unless they forget. And hey, you survive. Let's join. And we're in.
My business, my rule.
Hey,
Oh wow. Everyone died.
hey,
Ooh. As soon as I joined in. I guess I'm just amazing.
hello. Hey. 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 Hey.
Oh. Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Hey,
Hey. Hey. Hello. Hey. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I said hey.
Hey.
You can just kill anyone. Oh.
Hey.
So let's do one more. If this
Hey.
happens again.
Hey. Hey. Hello. 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 Hey. Hey.
Taken the lead.
Oh, I did it wrong. I'm sorry. Kill to evolve. Good version.
Traveling to Hanamura.
Inwards parentheses, good version. Outwards parentheses, guys. It's good. I'll be the judge of that.
we're all soldiers now.
Okay, when they mean that, they really do mean that.
Got you in my sights. Damn it.
Okay. So it is kind
No
of
rest for the weary.
OP. Kind of OP.
I've got you in my sights.
How is this fair?
My eyes closed. Knock
Come
me
on.
down and I'll keep getting back up.
Time is on my side.
Some people just be chilling, man.
I've got you in my sights. I'm on fire.
Oh my gosh. Level 9.
Damn it.
Oh no. No. Please. Please. Please.
不洗澡。
Yep, okay, that's the case. Don't wanna die. No. That's gonna die. That's too fun.
We have to take us to the edge of